The U.S. Air Force Plant 4 is one of the largest military facilities in the world, covering 3 square kilometers, roughly the same size as Central Park in New York. Managed by Lockheed Martin, it's where the advanced F-35 fighter jet is produced, offering a rare glimpse into the high-security environment behind the creation of these jets. After 2 years of waiting, a journalist gains access to tour this facility, including a chance to try the official F-35 simulator, guided by the only female fighter jet test pilot at Lockheed Martin. The facility and its security measures highlight the exclusivity and confidentiality surrounding the technology. The F-35 is considered the most advanced fighter jet ever due to its stealth technology, which reduces its radar cross-section to that of a golf ball, allowing it to remain undetected. The jet can reach speeds of up to 2,000 km/h, and its pilots use a helmet worth $250,000 that displays essential data and targets directly on the visor. There are 3 versions of the F-35. The F-35A for traditional runways. The F-35A is a variant of the advanced F-35 fighter jet designed for conventional takeoff and landing, or sea-to traditional runways. It combines stealth, advanced avionics, and unmatched versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of air combat missions. With its ability to operate from standard military airfields, the F-35A is a key asset for air forces worldwide, offering superior performance in both air-to-air and air-to-ground operations. The F-35B, capable of vertical takeoff and landing. The F-35B is a versatile variant of the F-35 fighter jet, designed for vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL). This capability allows the F-35B to operate from shorter runways, amphibious assault ships, and confined spaces, making it ideal for operations in challenging environments. Equipped with advanced stealth technology, superior maneuverability, and cutting-edge avionics, the F-35B excels in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, providing unmatched flexibility for modern military forces. And the F-35C, designed specifically for aircraft carriers. The F-35C is a variant of the F-35 fighter jet specifically designed for carrier-based operations. Featuring larger wings, reinforced landing gear, and tailhook systems, it is optimized for takeoff and landing on aircraft carriers. With advanced stealth, superior avionics, and versatile combat capabilities, the F-35C enhances naval air power, providing enhanced performance in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions while ensuring reliability and stability during carrier operations. The jets are assembled along a mile-long production line with over 100 jets in progress and employ a workforce of 18,000. The metrology lab within the facility demonstrates the high level of precision involved in assembling the F-35. Using advanced scanners, engineers detect even the tiniest flaws, ensuring all parts fit precisely. Each jet has around 40,000 fasteners, demonstrating the detail-oriented construction process. Siren, the only female F-35 test pilot at Lockheed Martin. She describes the rigorous training and discipline it took to reach her position. As a former U.S. Air Force Academy graduate, she is one of only 14 pilots worldwide qualified to test the F-35. In the F-35 simulator, Siren demonstrates the jet's controls and capabilities, including its high speeds, stealth features, and maneuverability. The advanced radar system and sensors give pilots a nearly panoramic awareness of their surroundings, merging data to identify potential threats seamlessly. The F-35 cockpit is highly classified, so filming up close is restricted. Siren explains that every edge and surface of the jet contributes to its stealth capabilities, including its radar-absorbing paint. When armed, the jet's weapons bay can carry 8,000 pounds of ordnance, equivalent to over 4 Cybertrucks. Siren dons her specialized G-suit, which counters high G-forces that could otherwise cause pilots to pass out. She also explains the cutting-edge helmet custom-fitted for each pilot that overlays flight data onto the visor and enables seeing through the jet, displaying the ground beneath through the use of external cameras. Preparing for a mission involves both mental focus and physical readiness. Siren walks through pre-flight checks and the intense physical demands of flying at such speeds, describing the blend of exhilaration, stress, and focus that comes with piloting one of the most advanced aircraft in the world. And there you have it, the incredible world behind the making of the F-35, one of the most advanced fighter jets ever built. From precision engineering and state-of-the-art technology to the intense training and dedication of pilots like Siren, every part of this journey showcases the remarkable innovation and discipline in modern aviation. Alright, now we're going to get into the F-35 fighter jet upgrade review. The advancement of the F-35 fighter jet, key upgrades and future improvements. The F-35 Lightning II, developed by Lockheed Martin, is widely regarded as the most advanced multi-role fighter jet in the world. Its development aimed to create a versatile and stealthy aircraft that can perform a variety of missions, including air superiority, ground attack and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR, tasks. However, like all modern military technology, the F-35 continues to undergo upgrades to enhance its performance, expand its capabilities, and ensure it remains a formidable asset for its operators. Software and sensor upgrades. The F-35 is equipped with an array of advanced sensors and software that provide a tactical advantage on the battlefield. One of the most significant areas of advancement for the F-35 has been in its software capabilities. The aircraft's mission system software is regularly updated to improve operational effectiveness. These upgrades improve its sensor fusion technology, which allows the F-35 to combine data from its radar, infrared sensors, and other systems into a cohesive picture of the battlefield, giving pilots a complete and real-time view of the situation. In recent upgrades, improvements to the electronic warfare or EW capabilities of the F-35 have made it more adept at identifying and countering enemy radar systems, further enhancing its survivability in contested environments. Additionally, newer software allows for more efficient flight management and better integration with other Allied forces assets. Increased combat radius and fuel efficiency. The F-35 is known for its impressive stealth capabilities, but its operational range is also an important factor for modern warfare. Recent upgrades to its propulsion systems, fuel tanks, and aerodynamics have significantly enhanced its combat radius. By improving fuel efficiency and incorporating advanced engine technologies, the F-35 can fly longer distances without refueling, enabling it to project power over greater areas. The addition of conformal fuel tanks to some models of the F-35 provides a substantial increase in fuel capacity without compromising stealth. These tanks fit seamlessly into the aircraft's airframe, preserving its radar-absorbing qualities while enhancing its range and endurance. Advanced stealth features. While the F-35's stealth capabilities have been revolutionary since inception, new advancements continue to improve its radar-evading design. Enhancements in the shape and material of the aircraft's skin, combined with better radar-absorbing materials, help reduce its radar cross-section or RCC even further. Additionally, ongoing updates to its coatings and maintenance processes ensure the aircraft maintains its stealth characteristics over time, despite wear and tear from frequent operations. These improvements make it harder for adversaries to detect the F-35 in dense radar environments, increasing its survivability in contested airspaces and allowing it to perform strike missions with minimal risk of interception. Interoperability and network integration. As the F-35 enters service with numerous nations and integrates into joint forces, interoperability has become a key focus. One of the most critical future upgrades for the F-35 is its enhanced ability to communicate with other platforms, both air and ground-based. The integration of the F-35 into a broader network of military assets allows for real-time data sharing, joint mission planning, and execution. For example, advancements in data links will enable F-35s to communicate seamlessly with other fighters, ground forces, and naval platforms, sharing vital intelligence, targeting information, and situational awareness. This network-centric capability improves not only the F-35's effectiveness but also the overall combat efficiency of entire military units. Next-generation weapons integration. As new weapon technologies become available, the F-35 will continue to be upgraded to carry and deploy them effectively. The integration of advanced weapon systems is key to maintaining the F-35's role as a versatile, multi-role fighter. Some of the key upgrades focus on increasing the number of weapons it can carry internally, which preserves its stealth profile, and expanding the range and lethality of its external payloads. The development of hypersonic weapons, for instance, will allow the F-35 to strike at targets at much greater distances, enhancing its offensive capabilities. Additionally, the F-35 is being integrated with advanced air-to-air, air-to-ground precision-guided munitions, allowing for high-value target destruction with minimal collateral damage. Ongoing improvements in weapon integration ensure that the F-35 can remain effective against a variety of threats, from enemy aircraft to advanced missile defense systems. Autonomous and AI-driven capabilities. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and autonomy are playing an increasingly important role in modern military technology. The F-35's future upgrades will include further advancements in AI-driven systems that can assist pilots in decision-making and mission execution. AI will be used for tasks such as threat identification, evasive maneuvers, and the automatic analysis of complex battlefields, allowing pilots to focus more on strategic decisions. Additionally, the use of autonomous capabilities may extend to supporting operations in contested environments, where AI could be used to manage unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs or assist in complex strike missions, further enhancing the F-35's operational effectiveness. Enhanced pilot training and support systems. As the F-35 becomes an integral part of modern air forces, pilot training programs are continuously evolving to ensure operators can make the most of the aircraft's advanced systems. One of the key advancements in this area is the use of virtual reality and augmented reality for training scenarios. These immersive systems allow pilots to simulate real-world combat scenarios, practicing mission tactics, emergency procedures, and weapons deployment without the need for actual flight hours. Additionally, ongoing improvements in the F-35's health monitoring systems will enable more effective maintenance and ensure the aircraft is always in optimal condition. The use of advanced diagnostics and predictive maintenance technologies allows for the early identification of potential issues, reducing downtime and increasing operational readiness. The F-35 Lightning II continues to evolve as one of the most sophisticated fighter jets in the world. Ongoing upgrades to its software, stealth technology, weapons systems, and operational capabilities ensure that it remains at the cutting edge of aerial warfare. As new technologies and strategies emerge, the F-35 will continue to adapt, solidifying its place as a cornerstone of modern military aviation for years to come. These upgrades not only improve the F-35's effectiveness in combat, but also ensure that it remains a formidable platform in an ever-changing battlefield landscape. If you enjoyed this exclusive look inside, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more amazing insights into the world's most fascinating tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.